King's Barbecue is about to go on a streak of festivals. We're going to be in Atlanta at the Bourbon BBQ and Beer event. And we're going to be serving brisket and pork and mac and cheese and barbecue potato bombs, sausage and ribs. So come by and see us there. Beginning of March, we're going to be at Florida Man Games in Elkton, Florida. That's going to be a fun event. There's going to be a lot of people, a lot of things to do. And again, we're going to be serving up a lot of good barbecue. We're going to have the barbecue Sunday. Come down there and get it. They sell out quick. And then we're also going to be at Sippin Swine right after that, right in Lawrenceville, Georgia, near Atlanta. So come on by, see us. If you're in the area, come on and get your favorite barbecue.